I'd like to make a request that this body take a moment to pause and pray and experience a moment of silence in honor of those that have been lost in the recovery efforts that are ahead.
Members will rise.
Thank you. We yield back.
Speaker.
Thank you, gentlemen. Good job. Appreciate your support. James, well done, my friend.
Gentlelady from Texas. For all purposes, gentlelady from Texas seek recognition.
I'd like to speak out of order in order to address what we just talked about, the Oklahoma situation.
Without objection, gentlelady from Texas is recognized.
Thank you.
House to be in order. Gentlelady will suspend.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. As the Democratic side of the Texas delegation, I want to join the other Republicans that came up with the leads from Oklahoma and simply say that this is not a partisan issue. We stand ready to be the assistance in whatever we can do to assist those people in Oklahoma. I represent Dallas. That is closer to Oklahoma City than it is to Houston. And no matter where occurrences might occur, we stand ready as American people to stand by those people who've been affected, notwithstanding pain. Thank you.